Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to record 4K videos and the best video settings on the VIVO V70. So if you want to record the videos in the best quality, I'm going to show you how to do it. So the first thing that we need to do is open up the camera app, then go to the video recording mode, and here on the top you have this icon that shows us the resolution and the frame rate. So we tap on that and we can change it to 4K and 60 FPS. So this is the best quality you can get, 4K resolution and 60 FPS frame rate. And once you've done that, you can just start recording the video. And once you're done, just stop it and we can go to that video and check if the resolution actually recorded, if the video is actually recorded in the proper resolution. So all you need to do is press this icon on the top right, this information icon, and it's going to show us the resolution, so 2160 by 3840, which is 4K, and 60 FPS. It also shows us the size of the video and other different informations. And that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.